Diba? Ito yung uso. Tignan nyo. O, diba? Tignan nyo yung kay ate. O, diba? Sabi ko sa inyo.
Yan guys, kakain kami.
Yan. Aray ko. Ang sarap. Nanood kasi kami.
Ano, Shake and Rattle Home. Yung pinapanood natin.
Marcos?
She became a mother. Something art patrons immediately noticed sa mga galleries. Doon talaga siya nagsimulang mapansin eh. That's why she became one of the top emerging artists in the Philippines. Her daughter was her muse and her lucky charm.
Lagot ka.
I can only imagine kung pinagdadaanan ng mag-asawa.
Bye guys. Ubus na kasi. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.